Let's learn something new today. Assuming I want to change what is there, what will you teach today? This test on my dashboard, it is possible. Canva has made it possible for us to wake up and see and decide what we want to see. So for you to do this, you come to where your icon is here. Then you come to settings. You should be in the theme that you want to change. So then you come to same profile. You see where this is where you can change. You can add logo now. You can change the name of your theme here. You can add descriptions. So this is what we are going to do now. We are going to come here. If you have a logo, you can update your avatar, your theme avatar. Yeah. You can upload your logo. Yeah. Then you can also change. This is where you see the reflection. You can also change the color of this place. Now we are having this. So you can even use your brand color if you want. You can use your brand color. You can use your brand color. Let's see. I'll pick this. You see it now. So I can decide to change what I want my Canva dashboard to look like. Then if I don't know the color, I can just use this color picker and come here and pick. You see it now. Then the same thing applies for here, for banner and every other thing. So you can now use your brand color. You can now wake up and see your brand color. So let's see. So let's see. So let me pick this. Okay. Then sometimes it is better for me to copy my brand code from my desktop and bring it in. So that's that. Then the main color, you can also change the main color. Come here, change the main color. So you see now, I can choose. I want to wake up and be seeing my brand color, not Canva color. You see what Canva is doing for us now? So you adjust it here. Then you pick your color picker and you pick whatever. You can change your dashboard now. So we are saying big thank you to Canva. Then there's another thing, banner text. What will you design today? I can change it. So let's do something. I don't want to just add anything. So I will now come to ChatGPT. I'll come to my ChatGPT or Gemini. Let me use Google Gemini. I can use ChatGPT. I can use Gemini. So if I don't want to talk more, I will just say, please. It's okay, please. Please. For example, if I'm working on weight loss, let's say I'm working on weight loss, I have those things here. I have a gem that I've set up to answer me in such format. So I'll just come to my gem. Please. I work on Canva every day. I want to change my banner text to reflect my goals on weight loss. Please, I need just 6 strong words. Can you please help me out? So let's see. Let's see what it's going to give us. So I can now choose. So you see, okay. So calmer mind, stronger spirit. Eat better, move gently, glow daily. You see now, healthy weight, deep peace, total confidence. You see now, based on what I want to be seeing every day. So I'm like, yeah, please add something related to making money too. Money daily. Everything should still be 6 strong words. See it now? It's okay. So I'll pick the one I like here. I think I want this one. This one, total confidence. Okay, this one is still okay. So I'll copy it. I'll come in. I'll paste. I love this one. Paste it and go back. Okay, but please add something. So now it's making sense. So let's see what it's going to give us now. Okay. Daily credits. Anyways, daily credit, deep pace. This is very powerful because daily credit reminds you of that alert eating your phone while you stay calm and fit. Okay, body slimming, money growing, mind resting. This is another word. Confident woman banner. This is another word. Fit body, daily income, total confidence. I think I love this. I love this one. This one. So I go back to my Canva team and I paste it. Okay, so I can choose dark text. I can, if I want to decide the color that will go very well with this, I'll just go to my, let's come here. Let's come here. I want to I'll copy the S code here. Just copy the S code. Come to Canva here. Canva wheel. So all these things work hand in hand. Canva wheel. For me to be able to select the color that will come out well. So I'll just click on this. And I'll paste it here. Paste. So white is okay. You see now, white is okay. If it is too dark, for example, if it is too dark, if it is the dark side, let's see, and I'm changing the color, it's going to be changed. You see it now. So if I'm using a lighter color, I'll be using a dark text color. If I'm using a very dark one, I'm going to use a white one. You see now? So they've decided that it's white that will be okay for me. So I'll come, white is okay. Then let me see, let's still go back a little. Yeah. So this is okay. So this is okay. Dark text won't go. So I want light text. So let's see. Then you can upload your banner here. You can upload your banner, which is still small. If I upload my banner, it's small, so I don't want to upload banner. Then you can upload your logo and your avatar. Okay, but let me just look. Let me do something. Let's look for logo. You can just pick one logo here. You should have your logo ready. So let's just stop now. It's okay. So I'll just click on save changes. You see now. So let's go to my profile. So let's go home. So anytime I open my Canva, this is what I want to be seeing. Fit body, daily income, total confidence. So I hope you get something new today. Please go and do your own too. And it's not hard. Please don't stop using Canva and don't stop subscribing to this channel. See you for the next tutorial.